Hi friends, I am Basavaraj Bilgi, Assistant Professor of English, GFGC Yargatti. Today we will discuss some of the general points about the poem The Wasteland by T.S. Eliot. Here I am not going to discuss the poem, but I am concentrating on the questions which are asked in NetSet exam, and according to that I have brought in some of the important points on which questions may be asked in NetSet exams. First we will see the background of the poem. The Wasteland is a poem by T.S. Eliot. The poem was published in 1922. It is a poem of 434 lines. The poem first appeared in the United Kingdom in the October issue of Eliot's The Criterion, and in the United States in the November issue of the Dial. Remember that the poem was appeared in the Criterion in the United Kingdom. The Criterion was a journal which was edited by T.S. Eliot himself. It was published in book form in December 1922. The Hogarth Press, a private press run by Eliot's friends, Leonard and Virginia Woolf, published the first UK book edition of The Wasteland. The famous phrases of the poem are April is the cruelest month, which is the first line of the first section, the burial of the dead. This line, April is the cruelest month, has a reference to Geoffrey Chaucer's Canterbury Tales. I will show you Peer in a Handful of Dust. It is middle line of the first section, the burial of the dead. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti is of Sanskrit language. It is the last line of the last section of the poem, What the Thunder Said. The poem is a combination of the legend of the Holy Grail and the Fisher King. Eliot employs many literary and cultural allusions from the Western canon, Buddhism, and the Hindu Upanishads. The poem is divided into 5 sections. The first section is called The Burial of the Dead. The second one is called A Game of Chess, and the third one is called The Fire Ceremony, and the fourth one is called Death by Water, and the last one, the fifth section, is called What the Thunder Said. In 1971, Faber and Faber published a facsimile and transcript of the original drafts, edited and annotated by Valerie Eliot, the second wife and widow of T.S. Eliot. Eliot originally considered entitling the poem He Do the Police in different voices. This phrase is taken from Charles Dickens' novel Our Mutual Friend. Eliot himself attributes the title of the poem to Jesse L. Weston's book on the Grail legend, From Ritual to Romance. The allusion is to the wounding of the Fisher King. The poem is preceded by a Latin and Greek epigraph from the Satyricon of Petronius. In English it reads, I saw with my own eyes the Sibyl of Cumae hanging in a jar. And when the boys said, Sibyl, what do you want? She replied, I want to die. Is the epigraph of the poem. Remember this. The poem has a dedication that reads, For Ezra Pound il miglior Pabro, which means the better craftsman. The poem is dedicated to Ezra Pound. The structure of the poem loosely follows the myth and Holy Grail folklore surrounding the Fisher King story as outlined by Jessie Weston in her book From Ritual to Romance, published in 1920. Weston's book was central to the structure of the poem, that it was the first text that Eliot cited in his notes on the wasteland. There are a number of references and quotes from poets like Baudelaire, Shakespeare, Ovid, and Homer, as well as Wagner's Libretti. There is also a reference to the 1912 popular song The Shakespearean Rag by lyricists Herman Ruby and Jeanne Buck. The Wasteland is a dramatic monologue like Love Song of J. Alfred Prufrock. But it is not a single monologue like Prufrock. Instead, it is made up of a wide variety of voices, sometimes in monologue, dialogue, or with more than two characters speaking. These are the general observations of the poem The Wasteland, and as I have seen, some of the questions were asked on the dedication of the poem and the autograph of the poem, and there was one question in which they have asked to write the sections of the poem chronologically. Based on those questions, I have prepared this, and I hope this will help you to prepare for your NET set exams. Thank you very much.